Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to subscribe CoinGecko Premium. If you want to subscribe to CoinGecko Premium so that you can access advanced features, then first of all, launch open CoinGecko app on your device and make sure that you are logged in. After you are in, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner from the home page. After you open up your profile section, here go ahead and look for My Accounts at the top and tap on it. From the My Accounts tab, look for the Manage Subscriptions option and tap on it. And then you can go ahead and select from CoinGecko Premium monthly or annual options and click on Subscribe Now at the bottom. Now, go ahead and make sure to follow through the on-screen instructions, verify your identity. If you haven't done so, you'll need to enter your payment information. And after you do that, make sure to confirm the payment method and billing details. And finally, you will be able to confirm the subscriptions. After you are done with the subscription, you should see a confirmation message and your account will have premium features enabled. So that's how you can easily subscribe to CoinGecko Premium using your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.